If you're having trouble logging into Facebook and you're being asked for login approval, there are several things you can try to fix the problem. Method 1. Check your notification settings. Make sure that you have enabled login approval notifications in your Facebook account settings. To do this, go to Settings, and then Security and Login, and ensure that Get Alerts about Unrecognized Logins is turned on. Method 2. Check your device settings. Ensure that your device is set up to receive login approval notifications. Check your device's notification settings and make sure that notifications from the Facebook app are allowed. Method 3. Use a trusted device, if you have previously logged into Facebook from a trusted device. Try logging in from that device again. Facebook may recognize the device and skip the login approval step. Method 4. Use a different browser or device. Try logging into Facebook from a different browser or device. Sometimes, login approval issues can be browser-specific, and using a different browser can help. Method 5. Request a code. If you're not receiving login approval notifications, you can request a code to be sent to your phone via text message or phone call. To do this, click on Didn't Get a Code on the login approval screen and follow the instructions. Method 6. Reset your Facebook password. If none of the above steps work, you can try resetting your Facebook password. To do this, click on Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the instructions. Method 7. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can sometimes resolve login approval issues. To do this, go to your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies. If you're still having trouble with login approval after verifying your identity, you should contact Facebook's support team for further assistance. They may be able to help you resolve the issue or provide additional troubleshooting steps. Like the video and subscribe to TechSor.